didn't practice at all. We never had a
winning more for you.
Yeah.
You guys invest the thing.
It's supposed to be like this.
Oh, you just flipped down the highway.
This was over 300,000 each year. Yep. These are the best sales. So how many car shows? You have the only one. I just even an Oshkosh. Yeah. Great seeing you.
And that's why I wouldn't tell my boys.
figure out some way to take a look.
Right. You were part of the community. Just like doctors. I have to say.
66. That's awesome.
That'll probably bring Thomas down.
And if you should discover that you don't really love take good care of my baby. Just take good care of mine. Round, round, get around, I get around, yeah, get around, round, round, I get around.
Really nice Chevelle there.
The same old strip. I got my buddies and me, you're getting real well known. Yeah, the bad guys know us and they leave us.
Pull the singer out here. It's too big for us to park it.
I get around, yeah, get around, round, I get around, get around.
I ride with that blue car. On that one. And now we were in the same hospital. He was on a different floor than I was. Lacerations, cuts on the face, ground, and all kinds of bruises. But anyway,
Buddy might have 155 picked up at Fayersville, Arkansas years ago. He was a Florida. He dropped his road weight. Dropped his road weight carrier.
Get chill.
Yeah, right.
I went to the grocery store about 2 weeks ago. Full pack of
That's nice.
I'll take it.
'18 Celine. I might be wrong. This doesn't look as bad as I thought they did. Well, that's nice.
I was master of Richmond Lodge number 3 in Philadelphia. I was a member of Harmony Lodge in Tom River, New Jersey.
Oh, your dad brought one of these. This is to take workers from Bangor and then down to
There'll be one right out there.
Put up with all the headaches.
We look for you over by your car.
The automatic shifter. Without the console, it just had a small block about like this. They would light up.
Deep in the heart of Texas, around the Frisco Bay, all over St. Louis, sweet little 16. Sweet little 16. Become so excited to look at a road.